per month on 2-shift basis. Now this is a small comparison made between the, if we use an automatic line and if we use the manual systems what is used in the site. This is about our company, and we have our complete factory based out of Germany. We have sales offices in the following countries. We have supplied more than 400 factories, and in India we have supplied almost 40 stirrup machines and around 20 fully automatic cut and bend plants. Now the major uses of the major advantages of using this cut and bend concept is that it gives you high volume production in less time. The wastage is less. There is a better control over steel. And moreover, the best thing is that it is a very good USP for a steel supplier as on date. Thank you.
We'd like to now request our patron, Mr. Saurabh Agarwal from ACE, to also give a small brief introduction about his company and how they're associated with us. They have been a big support as well in us moving forward, and I'm sure they'll continue to do so. Thank you. Please, sir.
Action Construction Equipment Limited. I'm from Delhi. We have been associated with Tarachand and Company for quite some years, maybe around 8-10 years. And we have been supplying machines, mobile cranes, and even some crawler cranes to them. And over the years, we realized that Mr. Vinay and Ajay and obviously Mr. Sameer, you know, they work very professionally. They handle their people very professionally. They organize sites and work for the sites very professionally. And I hope that other rental companies or service providers also follow the same suit, the way things are done. And about my company, I would say that we are the largest mobile crane producer in India. We are predominantly to pick and carry field. And we are also the largest tower crane company. And very soon, I'm sure that we'll bring Tarachand for tower crane rentals also. And I think that's it. I was not told for a presentation, otherwise I would have come with a presentation. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, Mr. Saurabh, for the kind words. And be rest assured, we'll follow the rules and regulations. We are doing so, and we'll continue to give you better opportunities in the future as well. Now we'll like to have a few words from our great source of inspiration, Mr. Jaiswal of L&T. He's got really good words, and he's been a good motivator whenever I've interacted with him. So please, sir, just a few words.
Very good evening. And I would like to tell one thing. This Tarachand Association, once they came to us for this Bangalore project, and then we were having some discussion that we have told them for some like safety aspects and all what has to be done. And one thing I appreciate, the moment what are the things we have suggested to them, immediately they have taken care. So that type of professionalism is there. So now today also I was just seeing that how they are talking about safety. If you talk any professional companies, like I am from L&T, so whenever we talk about any project or anything, first we talk about safety. So really I was very happy when I saw that first they started with safety. Because first safety, then only quality, and then it comes to progress. Like that we follow at our side. If safety, quality and production. So same way, they have also started, really I was very happy to see that they are really very much serious about safety. And in our company, as L&T, we know that, means you will be knowing that we first give importance to safety. So really I was very much impressed to see that they are giving importance to safety. And another thing I would like to thank this Mr. Vinay, Mr. Sameer and his team for organizing this event, and we are also interacting with each other. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, sir. We are glad that we've been able to live up to the expectations. Rather, our emphasis on safety started with L&T. I still remember the photographs where the red circles were put on the cranes, and they were asked that we need to add certain things to it to make it more safe. And as we said, we're trying to build a better India. If we would do it disservice if we wouldn't make it a better and safe India. So safety has to come first. Now, moving on, as we've had a very strong association with our, it's been like TLS. If we talk about TLS, everybody says there's been the association with Steel Authority of India Limited and Rashtriya Ispat Nigam Limited. So if there is a bit of steel in everybody, at least as far as TLS is concerned, there is a bit of SAIL and RINL in everybody. So we have the great honor of having Mr. Jena, the BM of RINL Bangalore, and if you could just say a few words as well. Please, sir.
Good evening, everybody. I am S.K. Jena, Senior Branch Manager, Vizag Steel, Bangalore. And so we are associated with Tarachand and Company, that is for last more than 10 years. One thing I have noticed during our 10 years associations, they are very much up to date with technology and change in the market. So they are also giving us a lead to compete in these markets, how to get the orders by competing, by getting the process materials in a competitive rates. And that is the most important in today's market. So thank you, Mr. Binay, so giving us a edge over the others competitors, and all the best for the futures. Thank you.
We've got another great associate from Geodesic, Mr. Venkatesh. They have also been very instrumental in our progress. So our evening will be bereft if they don't put in a few words.
I'm Venkatesh from Geodesic. We have been using Tarachand crane for a long time, and we had a very good relation with them, especially Mr. Samir and his group has always been supporting to us in our all our activities. Thank you.
And before we have the last person come in and talk, I would just like to add that we've got very senior people who wanted to be here who are also now calling in after seeing the webcasts that they have missed the program. A special thanks to Mr. D.K. Mohanty. He is another very senior person from Steel Authority of India Limited, who we have seen as kids, and is one of the dashing personalities in the government organizations. And also the CMD of RINL. He was very curious on being a part of this, and I think he is passed on the baton to Mr. Jena as the representative for RINL to be here. So thank you to him as well. And the final words, this person, as a child I have seen him, and till today he remains our inspiration, our encouragement. He's been instrumental in where we are today. He was instrumental in where we started. So final words from Mr. N.K. Roy, who we are very fortunate to have among us today. Thank you, sir. Please.
I'm truly privileged to be here. I must thank Tarachand, TSL and Tarachand Associates, Tarachand Sons. And if I look at them, I've been associated with them for last 17 years. I think initially I was working with SAIL, and that is where I got introduced first in Chandigarh. And one thing I can tell you, I think the kind of professionalism they show in their work, I think this comment we have already heard from so many people out here. And I've seen them, always thinking of something new, something innovative. People talked about reverse camera and all. Certainly I missed those things in action, but I have watched them grow, and they have grown because of their innovativeness. Whatever they do, they always think new, and really good to see that they are bringing innovation in construction industry. Today everyone talks about just margin, this construction is booming, and you can make a good margin and all that, but here they are talking about low wastage, they're talking about productivity, they're talking about so much of productivity parameters I don't come across. So I can only wish that they continue on this journey, they continue to do work with innovativeness, creativity, and I wish them all the best. And they are the best people. And from just from professional point of view, I can tell you I've been associated work-wise only for 1 year, but till today the kind of respect we get as a professional, I think is amazing. You don't get anywhere. I've been, I can tell you, just 1 year association today, also it propels me to, whatever, they organize, it propels me to come and be associated. I really thankful again for giving this opportunity. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. As always, your words of inspiration and encouragement stay with us, and they will. And we hope we keep giving better and better, and as you said, more enterprising, efficient, and economical solutions to each and everybody so that we can keep trying and making a better and safe India. Finally, I'd just like to invite our Vice President, Mr. Sameer Agarwal. He's actually been with the company, I believe. He's given his entire last 30 years to the company or so, and he's been very instrumental from the start in Jalandhar to where we are today. He's played a very key role. He'd just like to say a few words and thank everybody for being here. So, Sameer, for you guys.
Good evening, my dear friends, my fellow colleagues, my management. I would like to thank Himanshu to give me an opportunity to speak in front of you. My association with Tarachand, I would like to correct Himanshu, is not from 30 years, it's 25 years now just. And I expect that I continue with them like this for my whole career. We at Tarachand Logistics believe in good quality work at reasonable prices, and our MD, Mr. Vinay Kumar, is very much concerned, especially about safety. When we started our jobs of handling in Steel Authority, we were not aware about what is safety. When we used to be told to wear a helmet, we used to feel irritated. But now, this is becoming a habit. Still it has to improve, but we are improving and we will keep on improving. So without taking much of your time, already a lot of has been said. I would like to thank all our clients from L&T, Geodesic Techniques, from RINL, all our manufacturer partners from ACE, TIL, a special team of TIL also has come and graced the occasion. We are thankful to them. Mr. Messi and Mr. Luca from Schnell and Mr. Vipin, we are very much thankful to you, sir, for giving your valuable time here with us. Mr. Nitin of Stemma, and all my dear friends who have collected together to make this event a grand success. And we hope, we have also participated in XCon 2013, and we hope to participate more strongly in future exhibitions and to organize such type of seminars so that people can interact with us and they come to know more about our company and we can interact with you. With this, I would like to thank everybody for attending once again, and I would like to invite you for drinks are already being served. After that, we have a good dinner, and thank you very much, and it's good night from all of us here. Thank you very much.
One final thing, we've thanked everybody, but I'd like to, as part of the senior management, thank the team of TLS, especially the Bangalore office, which is headed by Mr. Reddy, Mr. Murthy, Siddhant, and Mohammad Ali, our most senior, most technician. He's the one who plays the key role in providing that preventive maintenance, as well as whenever there's a breakdown, he's everywhere running around. All these people and people from the head office like Mr. Hansraj, Mr. Krishna, and other people working at different sites across India for us. So it is because of their efforts, because of their sleepless nights, because of their sweat and blood that we stand here today. So a big round of applause for the entire team of TLS who's doing this good work. Thank you.